Hello, my name is JOVIE YONG. I am 6 years old and I'm from Tadika Alpha Bintulu. Today, I want to talk about a flower and a honeycomb. A flower is a living thing. It needs water, sunlight, and air to grow. Flowers are beautiful and come in many colors. A honeycomb is a non-living thing. It does not grow, move, or breathe. Bees make the honeycomb to store honey. Thank you for listening. Now let's watch the video of me making a flower and a honeycomb. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.